Sanu, get your hand away. Junie, you want what? One more time what? Sanu? What are we doing? That's what? And now you're not talking? Why not, Sanu? Ooh.
Very fun.
Are you excited for vacation? Gross, Sanu. Bike? B I K E.
Look at this. Bear on the bike.
Oh, I love that book.
Bear on the bike. Bear on the bike.
Are you changing it to bear on a bike? You're changing Goldilocks? What do you write?
Bear on the bike.
Oh, my favorite.
Baby on the bike.
Baby on a bike.
Tiger on a bike.
Oh.
Lion on a bike.
Are you finished?
No.
And Hyunju needs to work more.
Yes. I mix the red and the brown.
And what color is that? Do you know maroon? Maroon. Kind of red-brown mix.
Bear.
Bear? Bear's not a color. Can you show me bear in there, Minsul? Do you have a bear crayon?